My name is Lashun Daniels, and I'm the Secretary Database Manager here at South Hampton, and I've been in the school system for 5 years. I am the first person that parents meet, and when they bring their kids to us, so they have to trust me in order to trust the school. I am involved with our volleyball team, with our cheerleaders. I try to support them as much as we can. For as the teachers, I do their payroll, so it's very important for the staff. I'm a BCS product, so that's why I wanted to come back and work in the Birmingham City Schools to help all of our scholars succeed in life and let them know that school is very important, education is important, and I want them to succeed.
She goes above and beyond for the faculty, staff, students here at South Hampton. There is nothing that you can ask her that she wouldn't attempt to do. If she can't, she'll figure out how to get it done. She just goes above and beyond for all of us here in the building. If it wasn't for her, a lot of things here wouldn't turn out as well as they do.
My own granddaughter attends school here, so I'm motivated to have all our kids here, fed. I have things in my office for my children, anything that they would need, in addition to what the nurse has, to make sure that they can function through their day.
She's just an overall outstanding and amazing person.
On my students, I hope I made an impact that they know that they have someone here in the school that whenever they have an issue, that they can come and talk to me. I have an open door policy so that they can come and see whatever the issues are. And for my staff, that they know that they can come to me for anything that they need, supplies, anything to do with their pay, that I always have an open door policy.
Who's the only one you want to see?
Birmingham City Schools, success starts here.